Hello friends, welcome to my channel. CTET 2021 EVS paper 1 remaining solutions చూద్దాం 76 నుంచి. Smita wanted to scientize her learners about gender disparity and stereotypes related to work. What should Smita choose to do in her class from the following suggestions? Options వచ్చేసి present students with stereotypical models, show flashcards of different kinds of work, ask only boys to sweep the classroom daily, invite a student's mother to class who is an auto driver. Answer వచ్చేసి 4. Invite a student's mother to class who is an auto driver. Next question. Smayan of class 5 usually does not do his given classwork. The best measure to address the situation could be to, first option, talk to him and find his difficulty and adjust classwork accordingly. Second, make another child help complete his classwork. Third, talk to parents and counsel them. Fourth, give him alternative and simpler homework. Answer వచ్చేసి first option, talk to him to find his difficulty and adjust classwork accordingly. Next question వచ్చేసి Muskan organized a debate on the topic use of diesel vehicles in transportation should be prohibited. What is the purpose of organizing this debate by Muskan in classroom? Options: she want to sensitize students on the need to ban diesel vehicles completely in transportation. Second, it would help in knowing student views and correcting them. Third, she wants to sensitize students on advantage of using modern vehicles. Fourth, it helps students in appreciating multiple perspectives on this issue. Answer వచ్చేసి first, she wants to sensitize students on the need to ban diesel vehicles completely in transportation. Next question వచ్చేసి mapping skills in EVS help develop, first, the skill of drawing landscapes, the skill of predicting and calculating, recording skill, understanding of relative position of places. Answer వచ్చేసి understanding of relative position of places. Next question, the integrated nature of EVS helps to reduce the curriculum load and introduce specific topics, reduce curriculum load and help children to learn meaningfully, follow child-centered approach and introduce larger number of concepts, learn from information and description provided. Answer వచ్చేసి reduce curriculum load and help children to learn meaningfully. Next question, which of the following is not a broad indicator of EVS assessment? Options: cooperation, concern for justice, concern for equality, concept mapping. Answer వచ్చేసి concept mapping. Next question, there is a paragraph in class 5 EVS textbook based on Al-Bruni's observation of construction of ponds in India some 1000 years ago. What would be the purpose of including this paragraph? Options: it helps learners to identify sources of history, it helps learners to improve their recording of observations, it helps learners to appreciate technology present in India some 1000 years back, it helps learners to appreciate the role of evidence in history. Options వచ్చేసి ABC, ACD, only A and D, fourth, only A and C. Answer వచ్చేసి ACD. Next question, with over 50 students in her class, Vani wants to engage them in an activity which involves maximum number of senses to enhance learning. Which of the following activities will be suitable for this purpose? Options: inviting resource persons from community to demonstrate their skills, encouraging group discussion, using smart classroom for relevant AV material, organizing field trip to a nearby place. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి 4, ఆర్గనైజింగ్ ఫీల్డ్ ట్రిప్ టు ఏ నియర్ బై ప్లేస్. Why does ICRA encourage her learners to read newspaper and magazines in EVS? Options: these are entertaining resources available. These help learners to engage with the real world. These help learners to become independent. These help learners become competitive. Answer వచ్చేసి 2. These help learners to engage with the real world. Next question. Questioning as a strategy in teaching learning of EVS is used for maintaining discipline, drawing attention, promoting adherence to rules, arousing curiosity in classroom. Answer వచ్చేసి arousing curiosity in classroom. Next question. In which one of the following states the meaning of Torang is jungle? Options: Assam, Odisha, Mizoram, Jharkhand. Answer వచ్చేసి Jharkhand. Next question. Your house is located at X and your school is located at Y. Although your school is just opposite, but you cannot go straight because of the busy highway in between. So, you first go 125 meters due south, then cross a 100 meters long subway which is due east, and finally reach your school at Y, which is 125 meters due north. With respect to school at Y, your house at X is options: 125 meter due south, 100 meters due east, 100 meters due west, 125 meters due north. Answer వచ్చేసి 100 meters due west. A boy boarded a train on 4th June 2020 at Nagarcoil for Madgaon. The train departed at 10:30 hours from Nagarcoil and reached Madgaon at 4:30 hours on 6th June 2020. If the distance covered by the train during this time arrival is 1145 kilometers, the average speed of the train was nearly options: 36.5 km per hour, 38.5 km per hour, 40.5, 42.5. Answer వచ్చేసి 38.5 km per hour. Next question. Which one of the following statements is not true for the honeybees and beehives? Every beehive has one queen bee that lays eggs. Male bees are very important for the hives. Most of the bees in the hives are worker bees. There are only a few males in the hive. Answer వచ్చేసి male bees are very important for the hives. Last question. Today we cannot think of food without chilies. These were brought to our country by trader coming from options: Afghanistan, England, South America, South Africa. Answer వచ్చేసి South America. Thank you friends.